Hey friends, welcome back. If you live in an area like I do in the Midwest where there are mosquitoes everywhere like crazy, when it's moist outside, especially at sunrise and sunset, they're the worst. After it's rained, they're terrible, and you don't even want to go outside or buy one of those things that you carry around with you that repel them. I thought about trying those actually, but when we went out of town to Wisconsin in June for a little family vacation, I tried to make my own bug spray because I don't usually use bug spray, but I knew I probably should and needed to bring some. And I just don't like the toxins or the toxic ingredients and the DEET and all that kind of stuff. So I just looked up how to make one, and I didn't follow any particular recipe, so I won't have a link for you, but it's really easy, so I'll put that in the description, and it works. I can go outside in the backyard and not get bit once with this stuff, and it's not toxic, smells really good. So I want to share it with you because it's still mosquito season until it gets cold out, and this might come in handy for you. And you might already have some of this stuff around the house. So get you a water bottle. I already had some of these on hand, so it can be plastic, it doesn't need to be glass. It can be amber, it can be clear, it can be blue, whatever you want to do. And this is the last little bit of what's in here, and I want to make more, so definitely wanted to share this with you. Witch hazel. You can actually get this super duper cheap. A lot of the witch hazels will be like witch hazel and alcohol mixture, and this one in particular is, okay, yeah. It's witch hazel and alcohol, and that's fine. That's totally fine. And then you can buy witch hazel that's a little more expensive, and it's 100% witch hazel, whatever you want to do. This was the Equate brand at Walmart, super duper cheap. It's fine, just go with that. If you're using it as an astringent on your face, I don't know that you'd want the one with the alcohol in it, just because it'll dry you out even more. You dry out your skin really bad. Rubbing alcohol does. But you do you, boo-boo. Oh, I didn't get a funnel. It'll be fine, I think. I don't have measurements. Literally, we're just gonna pour in until we get maybe, yeah, here. And I don't know how witch hazel helps in the bug spray process, because the main thing that repels mosquitoes, is the peppermint. So we'll just do that. Peppermint essential oil. I don't really worry about the quality or the grade or organic or not, because you just got to pay more. So this is just Mentha arvensis essential oil. I bought it off Amazon. I can link it, but whatever you can find that's cheap. And I just bought a big old bottle. When I bought this, it was like 20 bucks. I don't go buy those really expensive essential oils like the doTERRA brand. Do you imagine how much you'd have to pay for a doTERRA brand size of one of these? It would be insane. I use a lot of the peppermint oil, to the point where it is pungent. It makes your skin tingle, and just, you can feel it and smell it, and those mosquitoes will too. No joke. That looks good. We'll go with that. And then when I Googled other things that you can put in the bug spray, I just kind of Googled and looked at recipes and didn't follow any particular one. I just went with what I already had on hand. And this is, oh, I should have left that on. This is lemon essential oil, and it's coming off. Lemon was one you can add. Eucalyptus, I believe, was one. And we could say 20 drops. I don't know what you need to do exactly. The peppermint's where it's at, because that's how I made it last time, with mostly peppermint. And let's fill the rest with just water and try not to make a mess. I managed to do that without making a mess. Proud of myself. And literally, that's it. So easy. So I'm out in the garden all the time, and I'm just like, man, I don't, because of the mosquitoes. And I just like, man, I don't want to go out there. And so since I've been using this, it ain't no thing to just spray where my skin's exposed. You know, they do try to get me on my calves through my pants. So I'll spray the pants too on my calves. And then I don't feel anything. So yeah, it works. I've already tested it. I know it works. So I hope this was helpful to you. I will put the ingredients in the description for you. And I hope it helps you as well. Super easy, cheap-ish. Yeah, I mean, compared to buying bug spray, it's similar. So have a wonderful day. Hope this helps you if you're looking for something like this without all the extra junk in it. Have a wonderful day. I might have already said that. I'll see you next time. I got some more videos for you to watch here. Subscribe and like, please, and bye.